Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new, then thank you for stopping by, and I hope you will give me a little subscribe and like this video if you do enjoy it before you go. That was a lot to say. Let's go in. Today I have a ColourPop little mystery bundle that they put out, and I'm loving the little leopard print bag. I think it's adorable, and I believe this was $25. I will triple check on that, and I did order one more thing to spend $30 so that I would get free shipping. So real quick, I'm just going to show you that one other thing that I got. This is the Glitterily Obsessed Body Glitter. Now, I don't think I realized, I love the little hollow packaging. Hello. I don't think I realized though that this was body glitter. I'm assuming you can do a lot of things with this, but the packaging is super cute as well. Little hollow letters. It looks glittery. I got the shade that is called Wish Me Luck. That's what she looks like in the jar. My hands are so dry. Oh my god, embarrassing. Lotion. Alright, hands are greased up. Let's take another look at that. There we are. It's beautiful. Let's take a little bit out. It has kind of like a jelly spongy consistency. Look at that on the finger. Ooh, this is so pretty. This is like festival vibes written all over it. Have you guys watched the Fire Festival documentary on Netflix? I haven't watched it yet, but I've heard so many people say it's interesting, so I think I'm gonna check that out. Maybe later tonight, maybe tomorrow, I don't know. That's really, really pretty. Without further ado, let's dive into the bag. I have not opened it, as you see. Ripping it open right in front of you guys, so I have no idea what's in it. I saw like a little image of some spoilers, but I decided not to really look into it. I'll take a peek. What do you think? What do you think? The first thing I see is Super Shock highlighter, and mine is in the shade Counting Sheep. So another little hollow packaging. I love that. I think this is a newer item as well, which is really cool. So that's what Counting Sheep looks like in the little pan. And I'm going to do a swatch for you. Ooh, really pretty. Look at that reflectiveness. This is a great color for me too, so I got lucky with that. Super fair, so these wider, lighter highlights tend to look a little bit better. Today I used an eyeshadow as my highlight.
So that's item numero... What does that say? Hi? See the plane outside my window.
Okay, that was item number one. There's another peek into the bag. Let me pull out another. So this is the volumizing mascara. Okay, and it is in black on black on black. It's just kidding, it's black on black. So that's what it looks like right there. I am excited to try it. I will insert a picture with the wand if I can find one, but I'm gonna leave this closed because I do want to try it out. But I've got a few open mascaras, and by a few I mean like 20. So yeah, I should probably not open that. The next thing is a lippy stick, and this is in the shade Ziggy. This is a matte lippy stick. Okay, so Ziggy, that's what it looks like on the little bottom. Not one of my most favorite shades, but it's pretty. It's kind of like a brick red. So that's Ziggy right there. I have an ultra blotted lip. Now I haven't really tried the ultra blotted, nor have I really been that intrigued to try one, but we're gonna do it. This is in the shade Doozy, and I love, again, the packaging. They're very cute, very springy. This is a pretty color. So again, this is the shade Doozy. So I think the blotted lips are supposed to give you that like blotted look, which is essentially like it's a sheer flush of color, very thin in consistency. That's what it looks like right there. And we'll definitely have to give that a try very soon. Let's see what else. This is a Super Shock shadow. This is in the shade Party of 5. So there is Party of 5 up close and personal. And let's swatch it. Ooh, pan's trying to come out. Okay, so it's got a nice like base color of like a warm rose, but the shimmer in it, I don't know if it's going to really do it justice on camera. It's really pretty. It has multiple colors of like a little fine fleck. It looks like maybe like a purple, a turquoise, and like a light golden, but it's so fine throughout that it's really not going to do it justice. But it looks really, really pretty. I'm going to close that back up tight. So that is Party of 5. I can't wait to try that one out. I love these, especially in the summer when I'm going for more of like a, I don't know, like warm, flush, like glowy kind of look. One of those just blended out on the lid's perfect. Oh, I got a single shadow, and this is in the shade Pinky Promise. I feel like I might have this, so let me take a look at this color. So it looks like I just have a similar shade, but this is the shade Pinky Promise. I need to find another palette. Oh shit. I have a big one. I have this palette, which is that big You're Dreamy one, but I have filled that up to the hilt. So you guys see it is full of colors. I think it's gonna be a nice metallic. There's on the finger, and then right on the hand. Oh shoot. She's gorgeous. I need a makeup wipe, but we're just gonna keep going in. Dirty fingers and all. Looks like I've got 3 more products in here. This is pretty nice. An ultra glossy lip in Flying Horses. Little light pink packaging moments. Ooh, this is my kind of color. So this is the glossy in Flying Horses. Ugh. I will say I kind of wish they had a doe foot on their gloss applicator instead of the brush. That's just a personal preference though, and I still like the formula, so not a big complaint, just a preference. But there's the shade. So that is Flying Horses. Really pretty, wearable, like everyday gloss look. I'm feeling it. So we got a Luxe lipstick. I'm very excited about this, and this is in the shade Sphinx, and it is a velvet blur. So I've not seen any differentiation in the formula before, or at least I haven't noticed like if it said velvet blur on it. But that's what this one is called. Again, I love the packaging of these. Rose gold with the little stars on it is just adorable. And this is the shade. That's definitely my kind of shade. I have to show just again the little stars on the bullet are adorable. Swipe out of it. Ooh, that's a beautiful spring pink. It's just like a really good, nice pink. Oh, I really went in with that swatch too. Ugh. Okay, so I'm really happy with that. All of these lip colors, actually all of these colors are kind of like on the rosy side, but I really like them all, so I'm happy. And one last eyeshadow, and I think I have the shade, so I'm gonna go look and see if I have it and see if this is a color that is close to being dried out, because I might hold on to it, but it's the shade Sequin. So let me check on that. So I could have sworn that I had the shade Sequin, but I either don't have it and I have something similar, or I decluttered it because it was dried out. So either way, I'm really happy to have it because this is a gorgeous color that's in the container there. So that's what it looks like. And let's do a little swatchy. Oh yeah, gorgeous color. Maybe I just thought about getting this one. I don't know. So there is Sequin right here. So pretty. So this one's like a copper color, but it's got a beautiful silver fleck in it. I can only dream that that's doing it justice to you guys, but I really am not sure. But that's Sequin, and very beautiful color. And I can never have enough Super Stock shadows, so I'm really happy with that. Alright guys, that was everything in my little mystery bag. I hope you enjoyed seeing all of the items. I will put the overall value somewhere on the screen so we know what our little haul consisted of. But I appreciate you guys so much for watching. Thank you so much. If you enjoy these type of videos, leave me a big old thumbs up so that I know that you do and I can continue to do more. And don't forget to subscribe. It would mean the world to me. And you can hit the bell as well so you know every time that I upload. So thank you again, and I will be seeing you guys in my next video. Bye!